Welcome to the Remote Control Interface for Sonora. This interface uses a standard Windows Media Center remote control for all page navigation. The most important buttons on the remote are the up, down, left and right cursor keys, along with the OK and back buttons. Using these 6 buttons will allow control of the entire user interface. To begin, let's look at the main browse page. In the upper left, you will see Filter Title. Currently we are viewing all movies. The upper right is the number of pages in the current selection. The bottom right shows title, year, rating, and runtime for the highlighted movie. To navigate the user interface, press the cursor keys on the remote control. Up, down, left, and right. To play the highlighted movie, press the play button, or for more options, hit OK. On this page you will have 5 options: playing the movie, viewing movie details, adding to a screening queue, setting the star rating, or lock or unlocking the movie. When you select movie details, you will see information on a large screen. To return to the selections, press the back key. To add or remove a movie from the screening queue, press OK. To set star rating, scroll to the appropriate choice and press OK. To lock and unlock a movie, press OK. To return to the thumbnails page, press the back button. For filtering options, press the back button again. As you can see, there are over a dozen options. Select one you would like and press OK. For instance, to view all action movies, select Genre, and then Action. This will take you back to the thumbnails page where you can see that your filter selection has been applied. To return to all movies, press the back button. Then press the back button again. Scroll up to all movies and press OK. Let's go back and scroll down to Internet Media. Press OK and you will see the selections for Hulu and Netflix. Scroll down and select Netflix. Netflix works in the same manner as your movie collection. To go back, press the back button. And select Return to DVDLobby. Thank you for viewing the Sonora Remote Control Interface.